What's up, guys? Tech Matt. Today we're going to be doing a little GripEdgeTools star socket, RPT stars. As you see, we got the T30 3/8 drive star out. Traditional star literally ripped this socket apart, or this star socket, star bolt, whatever. We're going to extract it with this here GripEdge RPT Torx T30. Stay tuned. Let's see if they do it. So now we got it out, folks. As you see, that is the RPT T30 star driver. Look at how destroyed that fastener was. Now we can go ahead and throw a new fastener right on that same RPT star socket and drive it right back down in. Could your traditional Torx or star socket do that? I had to hammer that down in there, and by the way, guys, it didn't even leave a mark with that ball peen hammer. So, GripEdgeTools.